Kanda bhaji.
So sweet.
Look how pretty.
Hi guys, it's Riya and welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Hi you guys, I'm so happy you're here. My name is Riya and welcome back to my channel. We are in the car, we're on the way, we're going to Lonavala for View's birthday. Happy birthday, View! She's here. Everyone pause the video, comment down below. Happy birthday!
Thank you.
She's so cute. Dio is driving, so we don't want to distract her, even though she does not get distracted, whatever you do.
She's musty, bro. She's usually sitting with one leg up and driving. She's too cool.
And now she's drinking Java chip, then she's going to eat a burger. While all
It's just cheese. It's just bread and cheese.
Oh my
We
God.
don't need to know that.
Yeah, okay, fine. I was going to say the story, but now I won't say the story.
You can. No, I love it.
Okay, so we went to McDonald's, okay, and Dia goes like, I want to order something, but I don't want to ask for it. So I
No,
was
but
like,
this is something I used to eat as a child, like as a 5-year-old.
yeah, this is our baby food, and
It really is Max Pro Ultra baby food.
yeah, and you like it because you feel nostalgic when you eat it, right?
Yeah.
Fine. So this is her justification. Now no one judge her after this. But she basically asks for an aloo tikki burger without the aloo tikki patty, without the vegetables, just with the bread and the cheese.
No, without the sauce also.
Yeah,
and the way she orders it, she's like, "Ek aloo tikki."
No, I see. I want a bun toast. They'll be like, what the fuck is a bun
What?
toast? Just a bun and cheese.
But that's odd only, yaar.
But still, like this
But
time
are you
also.
paying for the whole aloo?
Yeah.
Yes.
That's
she
what I told
is.
her.
But
That's
aloo
what I
tikki is
told
like 30-40 bucks.
Is it 30-40 bucks? No.
No, but
50 now. When I used to order it, it was
But
25.
why should you pay the extra when you're not even getting the patty?
But
or
they don't
getting
have it on the
bread?
menu only.
But yeah, that's
because
what I
she's
think on
not
the menu.
doing anything
Like,
conveniently.
Think of it for them. What will they add on the?
But you
order?
can just add the extra. There's an option where you can just add extra cheese.
Yeah, but to what?
Yeah, to what? What's the base burger?
Then they can just press the upgrade ka cost for
No,
them.
What?
Guys, I feel like there's a way out
something
with
to,
this.
you need to add something to add cheese.
Yeah.
I have an actual question. There was a place next to it that literally was giving bun maska. You could have just
But
added
she
sauce
likes
to
the
it.
McDonald's ka bread.
But the bun is the point.
Yeah,
The bun is
I
the good
see,
part.
This I low-key agree with because McDonald's is quite goated. Like I just feel hi guys. Basically, guys, like there's a bit of an issue. Like I have fake eyelashes and it's somewhere in my eye, right?
She has eyelash extensions.
I have fake lashes. I'm fake. But anything it takes to be hot. But but the point is, let me wear my sunglasses and talk.
No,
my
anyway-
eyelash is coming in the way.
No, anyway, it's like not like the best
That was
lighting.
simple.
Like I can't wait. Okay.
Yeah, we're winning.
Guys, Miles and Riya both have this combined problem. Every time we order food, it's one thing to order. It's another thing to prepare a buffet. And I think they don't realize that they are very small people. That we're skinny. No, we're strong guys. We're not. I'm a strong. I don't know about them.
What? You know why this whole rant has begun? Because she told me to get 4-piece chicken nuggets. I got 9-piece chicken nuggets. I told her I would eat 5. I didn't eat 5. I ate 4. And now she's pissed because she had to finish
One
it.
second, this is the one time she actually ate 4. Usually she'll eat 2. I have to eat 7.
She was doing quick maths in her head.
But today I had the chicken nuggets. I had vada pav. I had kanda bhajia. I had Starbucks.
Today I am a little proud of her. I won't lie. I am
Guys,
really
the kanda bhaji,
It's all the gymming because
kanda
this is her
bhaji
gains.
and vada pav was insane.
Insane. Okay, bye now. We'll see you when we actually reach.
Guys, you want Kit Kat?
Yes.
There's so much ketchup on that.
Keep it behind.
They're dead. Oh, why are they so weird?
Why does he look like that? Hey, bestie. That is you.
We've had a zoo
Just keep quiet.
party or something. Why we've seen all animals possible.
Yeah, we saw a camel also, guys. Randomly.
And very cute monkeys.
Very ugly monkeys,
We
honestly.
saw some of the ugliest
See our
ones.
personal monkey.
Okay, so we created a bingo based on view, and everyone needs to complete that bingo. I love.
Oh, sick!
Okay. So the rules of the bingo are 1 drink per square completed. Every time you complete a square, you have to take a shot.
How sweet is this guy?
Yeah, this is so cute.
You sat down and made this.
This is literally handmade, personalized. That's so cool.
But I got
So sweet.
Khol diya. Kids! We are getting dressed and just did like a little bit makeup and put on some jewelry and this cute top. Malu is tying my top with full dedication.
Guys, any good house music suggestions?
They'll give you and it'll come now live.
Like when you'll get. I love Fred again.
Even I love Fred
Yeah,
again.
but also I'm not a basic bitch. Like I love Pausa.
No, I love Fred.
Let's see who wins now.
My big
Good
ass
morning.
Say Tuesday.
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 Good morning, View.
What do you want me to say?
zoom in.
It's actually really pretty outside. Like it's raining and it's really green and nice.
I would
Guys,
like
I'm very hungry. I'm not gonna lie.
I would kill
Every
for
time
some
she wants to
chai
talk to the
right
vlog,
now.
she puts her chashma on.
Yeah, because the vlog should know that I'm cool like
You're a
that.
bougie.
No, I would just kill for some chai right now.
I want coffee.
Let me show you the views from outside so you can be part. Look how pretty. Views. That looks so good. So pretty and it's so windy and the weather is great.
It's early in the morning. We're very hungover, and we have a cure.
Okay. This is not sponsored, but we would love for it to be
I was
sponsored.
gonna open the can like that on camera so you get the ASMR, but
Okay.
since I already opened it,
I think you need nails for that.
Yeah.
Let me do.
shot.
The weather is so nice and the vibes are Sakshus. Yeah. Yes, Sakshus.
Collected today.
We literally had to decide.
Yeah,
we're getting off of Atal Setu. We had to decide which exit to take. And View and Diya at the exit are deciding what to do, and both of them are like, anything is okay. Both is okay.
We were
Both are good.
literally at the intersection, and both of them are not stressed. Ria and I are sitting behind, and we're getting palpitations. We
Anxiety
started
levels.
sweating, bro, because I was driving. Look at them; they're still so chill about it.
She's like, I knew I was driving. Knew what? Where were you going to go? Jia?
Exactly. He was like, I trusted you. You would go somewhere on the
Obviously, she had to go somewhere. Na?
Why will I get stressed?
Guess who is back home? I'm so happy. This weekend was so much fun. I literally have like a running rule, standing rule. What? Never mind. Basically, every time I come back from like a staycation or a vacation, the first thing I do is take in everything, shower. I don't know if you can tell that my hair is wet. I literally entered, and before I sat on my bed or sat on my couch, I went straight for a shower, and it just makes me feel so good. Like I've been home for 30 minutes, but now I've showered, I've cleaned up my room a little, I'm already in bed, and I have my hot bag here because I literally got my period last night at the villa. I literally can't even believe how crazy this is, because imagine going somewhere for one night and the one night you're not in your own home, you get your period. So annoying, but it was a little gross and inconvenient. I managed though, like it's fine. Although my cramps didn't get the memo that I was on a staycation, so they just have not left me. So this feels good honestly, but I'm so glad to be back. Also, oh my god, one of Vyati's friends is a DJ, and actually I don't think he's a professional DJ, I think he just does it for fun, but he was so good. He carried like his little DJ set and everything, and he literally killed it. Like we have danced for 5 to 6 hours constantly without even sitting for a song, because he does not let you get bored. I'm gonna actually ask them and ask him if there's any way you can like book a private gig with him. He actually has not told me to say any of this. I just had such a good time, and like I feel like if he is playing at your party, you are gonna have a mad freaking time. So you should definitely experience it. If you do have a private party, call him. Like, enjoy it. It's vibes. And I hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you did enjoy watching, you stay till the end. I love you so much. And I will see you very soon. Bye. Wait, no. Focus. Okay, bye.